back in the
Why?
days.
What have I done to deserve this? What did I go wrong? I know it isn't easy at all.
Nana, I mistakenly took the chocolate out of love. It was a small mistake.
What is broken is broken.
Nana.
Yes.
I know, but can't you do something small about it?
No.
Atachia, I thought you were very powerful.
You are so shameless. How could you? And you are worthless fool. I will deal with you, Kwansima. Okwele, bring it on. I'm ready. Hey, bring it on. Hurt me. Yes.
Yeah. Vision Nation, baby.
Our life can sometimes be very different from what we plan. My world is turned upside down by my mistakes of the past, and the consequences can be seen worldwide. A young man with a vision of becoming a professional teacher was shattered by my own indiscipline and call for behavior. My name is Prosper Mawuni, a descendant from the great Amatoma Willis family from the Volta region of Ghana. This is my life story in a small village called Baki.
Why haven't you paid your fees? You know exams is approaching and you are supposed to pay your fees. When will you pay? Come and write the date and sign here. When are you going to pay?
Madam, please, I'll pay it as soon as my father gives me the money.
Is your father aware you are owing such an amount in school?
Yes, madam.
And what has he said about it?
Madam, he said he's not having money.
He's not having money?
Yes.
Okay. You can go. I will see what to do about it.
Thank you, madam.
You're welcome.
Frema, you know I hate to see you cry. Your mother is doing everything possible to pay your fees. Why are you doing this to yourself? Amelie, it's not easy as you see things. It's not easy. Why? What have I done to deserve this? What did I go wrong? I know it isn't easy at all. But you know I love you, right? Everything will be fine. Stop it.
Amelie, how are you?
Hello.
Why is she crying?
Let me leave the two of you, okay? I'm going to get water.
Frema, what's wrong?
I'm fine.
Come on, you are crying. You say you're not crying.
I'm
Were you
fine.
able to see my dad yesterday?
Yes, sure.
So what did he say about the fees?
He said he will pay.
So why are you crying?
I'm fine. Can't
Come
you
on.
see I'm fine?
Come on, Frema.
I'm okay.
Listen, I said you will pay the fees. So why?
No.
Is anything wrong?
No.
Come on, listen. Just tell me. Is anything aside the school fees? Anything bothering you?
I'm fine. I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's okay. So can we go and solve the math questions?
Come on,
before...
but are you making me worried?
I'm okay. Let's go and solve before the math tutor comes in.
Okay. But please, aside the fees, anything you can tell me, okay?
I'm fine. Can't you see I'm laughing?
Okay.
Nana Tachia,
My daughter.
I came here looking for you, and I've been searching all around, but I didn't find you, and it's very important.
Yes. I was not here. I went to the forest to get some leaves.
Oh, okay.
I just arrived. Is anything the matter?
Nana, some time ago I came here for some help about you giving me something to get attention from. And for some time now, he doesn't want to see me again. I really disgust him. And he has left me.
Wow. Have you taken anything made from cocoa?
Nana, I mistakenly took the chocolate out of love. It was a small mistake.
What is broken is broken.
Nana,
Yes.
I know, but can't you do something small about it?
No.
Atachia, I thought you were very powerful. You can't even do this small job for me.
Wow. What is broken is broken.
So you see, if you have got the first one correct, it's very good here. Now, who can answer the second question? Yes, Amelie.
Aquile stole 3 oranges.
I want the adjective.
Identify the adjective.
No, shut up. Yes, what is the adjective?
3.
Very good. That is very good. It's correct. You have done really well. Clap for her. Now, Frema, you are going to answer the third question. Frema? What is wrong with you? Answer the third question. Let's go. Oh, Frema. Hey, where is your mind? In fact, you sit down, and make sure you see me after class. Okay, yes, Elon, the third question.
Sir, is this guy who reads?
Hey, Elon! You, I don't know what is wrong with you. Your head big like a bukoko. You can't even do this one. All you know how to do is just eating fufu and cray or whatever you call, and be throwing stones at bed. Sit down. Sure. Yeah, Richard.
The man runs fast.
You didn't see the berry there, So what is the adjective? You see your life? You see your life? Your hair bushy like a hawk. You can't even answer this question. Your school fees too, you won't pay. Oh yeah, sit down. Yes, yeah.
You are so shameless. How could you? And you are worthless fool. I will deal with you, Kwansima. Okwele, bring it on. I'm ready. Hey, bring it on. Hurt me. Yes. Stop. Hey. Stop. You guys should stop. Stop. I'm going to stop. I'm going to report you to mistress, okay? Fine. With me.
Hey, you've been here since lunch, and it seems none of you is ready to talk. It's either you tell me what happened, or you are going to remain here. We've closed though. I want to go home. What happened? I said what happened?
Madam, she took my pen the other time and did not say anything. And today I took her own too and she tried to fight me.
Madam, that's a lie. I haven't taken her a pen before. Her pen got lost and she's suspecting me once I'm innocent.
Madam, hey! No, this is outrageous. So you are fighting because of a pen? Total insubordination. The next time you fight, I will make sure you face the law. You will leave the school and leave for good. Have I made myself clear? Now get out of my sight! Pen.
Akwele! Oh, Akwele, so
What do you want from me?
Akwele, I want our relationship back. Akwele, we have the life in front of us. We plan all this together. Why we let this thing ruin our relationship?
I shouldn't be bothered because he was a pig. He had a lot of girls and I was dying for him.
Akwele, you are not to be blamed for this. I caused all this. I tried to ruin our relationship. I'm sorry.
I'm also sorry for fighting you all this while.
I love you, sis.
I'm not ready yet.
No, very soon, my dear.
Oh, I'm hungry.
Sorry, very soon. You'll be okay. Hey, honey, everything will be fine.
Hey, sister. Kofi. Sister. How are you? I'm fine, your sister. Sister, good evening. Good evening. Akonta.
Evening. Hope you're good.
I'm doing good, Akonta.
Okay.
Okay, Akonta. A certain man from the city gave me this letter to give to you.
Okay.
Yeah.
A man from the city?
Of course.
Oh, okay.
Can I read for you? Hey.
Don't be stupid.
Come on, go home.
Read my letter for me.
Hey, Akonta.
Don't mind him.
Sister, I'm going now.
Yeah. Read mommy for me, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
My niece. Your daughter here is very brilliant and hardworking. That is the more reason why you have to pay her fees.
This is good news then.
Yeah.
Then I think the school should give her a scholarship. What do you think?
My dear husband, Frema is our daughter, so she is our responsibility and ours alone, and not that of the schools.
Woman, I don't have a dime for what happened to Kunedu to happen to her too.
Oh, but my dear, Frema is different.
But same blood.
No.
Same blood?
No. We will definitely prove you wrong.
When? You must prove it now. By paying her school fees.
Mercy, I think I'll have to leave.
Oh, so you are still here?
Chumesi, why are you like this?
I'm like what?
Are you not ashamed of yourself?
Welcome back, Lucy.
I don't even know.
Check the food.
Hey, Kunadu!
What?
I've gotten a job. Huh? Yes!
Please, let me check.
Hey! God is so good.
Hey, the gossip!
Oh,
let me talk loud.
Don't you dare try to spread this news. I'm supposed to be in Accra by next week.
Thank God, oh. I'm so proud of you.
Yeah, honey.
Oh.
I'm so proud of you too.
Madam. Frema. Oh. I don't know why all these things are happening. Huh? I don't want you to worry. I am going to take care of the rest of your fees.
Really? Thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you, Mother. I actually don't know why my dad is doing that. But it's because he put in much effort in my sister's education.
You are not your sister.
Yes, she got pregnant along the line. So that made him lose trust in us all.
Everything is going to be fine.
It's
just a matter of time. I am putting all my trust in you.
Thank you.
In fact, I am betting on you.
Thank you. I'll never fail. Thank you. Thank you.
I'll see you.
Everybody in this village is singing your daughter's accolades. Everybody says your daughter is brilliant. So why are you so adamant in paying her fees? What is wrong with you? Why are you so obstinate? You are so bull-headed. You are so hard-hearted. Huh? If Kunadu has made a mistake, does that mean Fremat will make the same mistake?
That is the point. That is the point. Why should I sit down for the same thing to happen?
Oh, stop that!
Stop what?
You will pay her fees.
I will not.
No, you will.
I will not.
You will.
I will not.
You will.
I will not.
You will.
You lie back.
Really, my daughter, what is bothering you?
Nothing, Mommy.
Are you sure? My daughter, stop crying. I'm your mother, okay? And I'm supposed to know everything that is bothering you. Okay?
Mommy, you heard what the herbalist said. He said I may not be able to give birth again in my entire life. And that is my biggest fear.
Ameli, you heard what the herbalist said. He said you may, not you will. There is a probability. Okay? So stop crying. You'll be fine. Okay? Stop crying. Stop crying. You get sick.
Okay.
Make sure you don't fall, please.
Slowly.
Let me drop you down slowly. My car is tired. Mama. In fact, you fully made me happy. I am now happy.
You should be happy. And I'm glad that
you again. What do you want in my house? Bobo, please calm down. I came in peace. I came to see Nanamu. Nanama, I came to say bye-bye and also ask for your forgiveness. Please.
See, Ajiman, I, Nanama, I hold nothing against you. As you can see, I am busy enjoying my new relationship. All I want you to do right now is to pack your damn self up and your troubles and get out of here!
Go!
Leave!
Leave. Ajima, hey, you. So you come back or you deaf? See, folks. Look at him, look at him. Hey, make sure you don't break my standing.
It's okay.
Whoever doesn't want our happiness will be the first person to book his or her ticket to hellfire. One last thing. Whoever that hits the chest that our relationship will collapse would definitely end up having chest pains.
Never.
I am a wise man. I am a really wise man.
Let me carry you to the room. Yes, I'll try.
Yes.
Rema. Yes? Have you noticed how these people are looking at me?
Hey, come on. Because it's been long you vanished from the school and everybody has missed you, including me.
I pray so. This is weird. They've never looked at me like that before.
It's nothing, okay? Stop thinking about it.
Girls, please
No.
This is
Okay. I'm waiting. Alright.
What are you guys here? You need to be in the classroom.
Why? We are going to get something to eat.
Don't worry, just go inside. I'll get it for you, okay? The students are spreading rumors around that Amelie was pregnant and she was done some abortion and blah blah blah. A whole lot.
What?
Yeah.
Pregnant?
Yes.
Abortion?
Abortion.
Yeah, that is why they were looking at us.
Sure. So I think you should go to the classroom. You have to hide it, okay?
Okay, thank you so much, okay?
Yes.
Alright, so...
So what were you going to get?
Any food, like any food.
I'll see you in class.
Hey.
Back in the days,
Next, back in the days.
Who do you think you are? Information Minister? What is this rot talking about? Hey you, have you been able to tell your mother the man who impregnated you? Will you shut up? Are you insane? Amele, what if a snake bit you or you died in the bush? Disgraceful prostitute, cheap whore. You are disgrace to your mother. Leave my sight! Ajima, where are you going?
Brago.
Why are you leaving me here? Eh? Where are you going?
You again? Brago, what do you want?
Ajima, I love you. Ajima, you know I'm pregnant for you.
Huh? You are what?
I'm pregnant for you. It's baby.
Pregnant for me?
Yes.
Brago.
Open your mouth and tell me who is responsible for that pregnancy and who gave you the concussion to abort the baby.
Back in the days, back in the days, so back in the days, back in the days, back in the days. Ready man, ready man. Nobody knows tomorrow. You go reap what you sow. Nobody knows tomorrow. You go reap what you sow. Pretty man. You too move for na mwentia. You too move for na mwentia. You too move for na mwentia. Asembe ba debi. Jaya kubonidio, ticha mauli. Jaya kubonidio.